I have a question for you, sir, actually. You have been an owner of a big institute. At the same time, you have been teaching over the years.
Yes.
How do you manage the management part? Because it's a huge responsibility of building up your organization, managing the entire force altogether as an owner. At the same time, you are also into teaching. You take a lot of time. I've seen, sir, you start at 6 o'clock, you make sure that you teach.
Yes.
That's a great thing actually. So how do you balance both, sir?
Uh, in the last 20 years, I have made it a principle to allocate my half of the day only for the teaching purpose. Up to 1 o'clock, I will be engaged myself only in the teaching. Any administrative work, I will be looking after only after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and as far as my micro activities are concerned, I delegate a lot. So I decentralize the things, including administration and various other activities. So therefore, I am getting ample time to manage my teaching as well as manage the institutions, administration. Because we cannot build such an empire like this without proper teaching. Because they believe me, students are believing me right from the year 2003. So without my contribution, the organization cannot grow such a fast way. So therefore, I made it as a compulsory principle. And actually, I enjoy teaching rather than managing the things.
That's understandable, so that's seen in you also.
Yeah. Because I don't feel like hard work. It's a part and parcel of my life. And even I prepare a lot. Preparation, even today also I update the things. And even up to night 1 o'clock also I will be keep on preparing myself. So the contemporary issues particularly, everything there, in the Indian polity more dynamics are there. Something like economy like.
Sure, sir, very true.
So every dynamic element which is coming in the Indian political system, when I teach these concepts, contemporary concepts in the classroom, the students will be more attentive. So, and UPSC demand is also the same thing. According to the requirements of the UPSC, you are supposed to do that.